In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off protocol handlers in Google Chrome. If you've ever clicked an email or calendar link and Chrome offered to open it in a specific web app, that's a protocol handler at work. Disabling this feature stops websites from asking to take over special link types like mail to, webcal, or magnet, giving you tighter control over how links open on your computer. Start by opening Chrome on your desktop. In the top right corner, click the three-dot menu to open the main menu. From there, choose Settings. On the Settings page, look to the left sidebar and select Privacy and Security. This area controls how Chrome handles data and site permissions. Next, open Site Settings, which lists everything sites can ask to do in your browser. Scroll until you find the section called Additional Permissions and expand it to reveal more options. Within Additional Permissions, click Protocol Handlers. This page controls whether websites can ask to become the default handler for certain link types. To turn the feature off, choose the option labeled Don't Allow Sites to Handle Protocols. As soon as you select it, the change is applied immediately. There's no save button needed, and it works across all the tabs you have open. Here's what this means for everyday browsing. Chrome will stop showing prompts that ask to open email, calendar, or other specialized links in web apps. If you previously allowed a site to handle something like mail to links, that association won't be used while this setting is off. Your system or installed apps may take over instead, depending on your operating system preferences. Keep in mind that turning this off is great for privacy and consistency, but it can also remove conveniences you might rely on, like opening Gmail when you click an email address. If you change your mind later, you can revisit this same protocol handlers page and select a more permissive option to restore prompts. This process is the same on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Chrome OS, as long as you're using a current version of Chrome. If your browser is managed by your organization, some options may be locked by an administrator. That's all it takes to turn off protocol handlers in Chrome. Open the three-dot menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, Additional Permissions, then Protocol Handlers, and choose Don't Allow Sites to Handle Protocols. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.